Casement windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Glendale due to their stylish design and excellent functionality. These windows, hinged on one side, open outward with a crank, providing great ventilation and unobstructed views. However, like all windows, they can wear out over time, requiring replacement to maintain the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home. If you live in Glendale, you may experience various environmental conditions that impact the performance of your windows. From hot summers to cooler winters, the elements can take a toll on your casement windows, leading to issues that could compromise your home's efficiency and safety. Recognizing the signs that your casement windows need replacement can help you avoid bigger problems down the line. Here are some common signs that it's time to replace your casement windows in Glendale. Difficulty opening or closing the window. One of the primary advantages of casement windows is their ease of operation. With a simple crank, you can open or close the window to let in fresh air. However, over time, casement windows can become difficult to operate. If you find yourself struggling to open or close the window, or if it sticks, jams, or requires excessive force to function, it's a clear indication that something is wrong. This issue may arise from a variety of causes, such as worn-out hardware, a damaged crank mechanism, or a warped frame. Regardless of the reason, windows that don't open or close properly pose a safety risk. In the event of an emergency, you need to be able to open your windows easily to escape or allow ventilation. Replacing the window ensures that it operates smoothly and can be easily accessed when needed. Visible damage or wear. Another obvious sign that your casement windows need replacing is visible damage to the frame or glass. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause the window frame to warp, crack, or rot, especially if it's made of wood. Cracks, chips, or fogging in the glass are also common problems that indicate wear and tear. In Glendale, where temperatures can fluctuate, the intense sun exposure can cause window frames to degrade faster. Water damage, caused by leaking seals, can lead to further issues such as mold or mildew, which can worsen over time. If you notice any visible damage to your casement windows, it's a good idea to consider replacing them before the problem gets worse, leading to higher repair costs or reduced energy efficiency. Energy inefficiency and high utility bills. If your energy bills have been rising, your windows could be a contributing factor. Casement windows that no longer seal properly or have damaged frames allow heated or cooled air to escape from your home, making it harder for your HVAC system to maintain the desired temperature. This leads to higher energy consumption and inflated utility bills. Over time, the seals on the windows can wear out, and the frames can warp, leading to gaps and drafts. These issues may be difficult to detect without a close inspection, but if you experience fluctuating temperatures inside or drafty areas near the windows, it's a clear sign that the windows are not functioning efficiently. Upgrading to newer, energy-efficient casement windows can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs. Look for windows with energy-efficient features like double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and gas-filled panes that improve insulation and reduce energy loss. Increased noise levels. casement windows are designed to block out outdoor noise, making them an excellent choice for homes in busy areas like Glendale. If you notice that the noise from outside is becoming louder, even when the window is closed, it could be a sign that your window's seal has broken down or that the frame has shifted. Soundproofing is one of the key advantages of quality casement windows, and when this function is compromised, the comfort of your home can be significantly reduced. Replacing your windows with newer models that have improved sound insulation features, such as laminated glass or advanced sealing technology, can help reduce noise intrusion, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Water leaks and condensation. Water leaks around your casement windows or condensation between the glass panes are strong indicators that replacement is needed. Leaks can occur when the window seals fail, allowing water to enter, which can cause damage to your walls, floors, or surrounding structures. In Glendale, where weather conditions can change rapidly, water leakage can also lead to mold growth, wood rot, or even foundation issues over time if left unaddressed. Similarly, condensation between the panes of glass suggests that the window's insulating seal has failed, reducing its effectiveness in keeping your home properly insulated. If you notice these issues, it's best to replace the windows to prevent further damage and restore the window's protective functions. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Over time, the design and style of your windows may no longer match the aesthetic of your home. Casement windows are often chosen for their sleek and classic appearance, but after years of use, they can become outdated or no longer complement your home's exterior. If your windows no longer enhance your home's curb appeal, or if you're simply ready for a change, replacing them with a new style or upgraded design can give your home a fresh, modern look. New casement windows come in a variety of materials and finishes, allowing you to choose an option that fits your home's current aesthetic and boosts its overall value. Conclusion: casement windows are an attractive and functional choice for homeowners in Glendale, but like all windows, they can show signs of wear and tear over time. If you notice any of the issues listed above, such as difficulty opening or closing the window, visible damage, energy inefficiency, or water leakage, it's time to consider replacing your windows. Upgrading to newer, energy-efficient, and secure windows can improve the comfort, security, and value of your home. If you're ready to replace your casement windows, work with a trusted window professional to ensure proper installation and to select the best options for your home. With the right replacement windows, you'll enjoy better energy efficiency, enhanced aesthetics, and a more comfortable living space for years to come.